Hey guys, this is a follow-up video to my last video I did about the McCormick place in Chicago and the earthquake and Georgia Guidestone number coding. In this video I want to show you the nuclear aspect of the coding for McCormick place, and I'm going to show you the San Jacinto Battleground Monument in Houston, Texas, and how that relates to McCormick place in Chicago. I first learned about this monument from a YouTube channel called Operation Terror, and he did an excellent video about the atomic ley lines that are associated with this monument. Unfortunately, his channel was taken down, so I can't leave you a link for the original video. But what he showed in his video, and I want to show you guys today, or at least one aspect that I want to show you from his video, is that the San Jacinto Battleground Monument, I'll show you this first here. This monument is the tallest masonry obelisk in the world. It's 567 feet tall, and it's located near Houston, Texas. And what I'm going to show you here is this is the reflecting pool for the monument. I'll get a closer up here. This is the monument right here, and this is the reflecting pool for the monument. And if you draw a line from the monument directly through the middle of the reflecting pool, it points directly to the Trinity nuclear test site. And I'll show you that right here. Follow this line, it points directly to the Trinity site, right directly at the obelisk, the Trinity obelisk. But I want to show you the other direction it points, the other way it's coded and it points directly to McCormick Place in Chicago as well. And I'll show you that here. Okay, I'm going to start my line here at Marker and Vista Road, just south of the monument. And I'm going to show you the definition of Marker and Vista. Remember, this is the tallest obelisk in the world. And there's a reason that they put the intersection of Marker and Vista as a starting point. A vista is a view, especially a beautiful view from a high position. Another definition is a possible future action or event that you can imagine. And of course, definition for a marker is a sign that shows where something is. So if we start at Marker Vista Road and draw a line straight up through the road directly through the center of the monument, and show you that it points directly to McCormick Place in Chicago. And of course, the connection to Revelation is that this line that's from Marker Vista Road to McCormick Place is exactly 811 nautical miles, which is a reference to the Revelation Wormwood star from Revelation 8:11. And of course, the monument has the 9-pointed star, and the McCormick Place logo also has the same star in its logo. So we know that it's directly referencing the monument and McCormick Place. McCormick Place, its connection to Egypt or the Great Pyramid. The Great Pyramid is 455 feet tall currently, and the San Jacinto Monument grounds are listed as 455 acres. We'll talk a little bit more about the... Oh, here, I'll show you this here. The observation deck on the monument is listed as 489 feet high, and the Skull and Bones connection is, if you add 489 plus 322, you get your 811 again. And I'm going to talk about the symbolism behind the 9-pointed star here. In the Baha'i faith, the greatest name of God is contained within the 9-pointed star, called Baha. And in Abjad Isosophy, Baha has a value of 9. Some more 9 symbolism. The book The Light of Egypt by Thomas Burgoyne. Here's an excerpt from that book regarding the number 9. There are only certain fundamental truths that are true, per se, which possess definite reality. They are 9 in number, and I suppose can finally be reduced to 1, a trinity of trinities. And of course, the reflecting pool of the monument points directly to the Trinity obelisk as well. 9 is also the biblical number of finality and judgment. 9 represents divine completeness. It also represents the end of a cycle. And the Greek 9 is theta, or the TH. And there's a lot more to the TH, but I'm not going to cover that in this video. But there's a lot of significance behind the TH. And of course, it's 90 degrees from the Trinity monument, and then the line drawn to McCormick Place. Another significant 9 number is the 9th astrological sign is Sagittarius. And Sagittarius represents the bridge between earth and heaven. And something that another channel that has helped me out a lot, the Casey Jones channel, he pointed this out to me, is that something significant about Sagittarius and Scorpio. What's known as the Golden Gate of heaven is at the intersection between the Scorpio and Sagittarius constellations. Right between those is the 13th, what's known as the 13th zodiac, Ophiuchus, the serpent bearer. And I want to show you one more thing here. That points to McCormick Place in Chicago. This is the meteor. I'm not even sure how you pronounce that, but this is the meteor that the meteor strike, supposedly we are told anyway, that caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. And if you draw a line from the impact crater to McCormick Place in Chicago, if you look at the heading here, if you go a little bit to the right or a little bit to the left, but directly on top of McCormick Place, you have a heading of 4.04 degrees. And of course, there are 404 verses in Revelation. So you can see the significance, just more markers in Revelation coding for McCormick Place I wanted to show you guys. I'll have some more videos hopefully shortly. The Casey Jones channel has helped me a lot with this McCormick Place, and also with some Hudson Bay coding. that I want to show you in my next video, and how it relates to Chicago and Seattle as well. I haven't forgotten about Seattle, but there's some pretty interesting events that connect Seattle and Chicago and the Hudson Bay as well. And I'll just get that out to you when I can. Thanks for watching.